Croeso i'r gwesti Dewi Sands yng Nghaerdydd, adre o Tîm Cymru wythnos yma. Welcome to St David's Hotel in Cardiff, the home of the Welsh team for this very important week of international football. It's the start of what could be a very significant week for Welsh football, and hopefully it will culminate with the national team qualifying for Euro 2016 in France in the summer. But to kick the week off, we've come to the Team Hotel to conduct the round 2 draw of the JD Welsh Cup. 80 teams played over the weekend, so 40 teams are in today's draw. There were shocks at STM Sports, Cwmaman United and Llandudno Junction, amongst others, and they're all in the draw for today. We'll do 2 draws, firstly the northern section and then on to the southern section, but just before that we will do a quick roundup of the JD Welsh Cup player of round 1. There are 4 players shortlisted: Curtis Hudson of Caerau Ely, who scored a hat-trick against Undy; Curtis Scotto, who was outstanding for STM Sports against Tom Pentre in one of the day's biggest shocks. Curtis scored a hat-trick. Adam Pugh, who also scored a first-half hat-trick for Chirk 3As in their win over Prestatyn Sports. And Dean Seeger of Llandudno Junction, who on his debut scored 2 goals in another surprise win at Caerau in a 6-1 win for the Junction. The winner will be announced exclusively on Wednesday on the FAW website, so look out for who wins the JD Welsh Cup player of round 1. And so on to the draw. I'm delighted to be joined by Wales international player Jonny Williams, and Jonny will draw the balls for the northern section first. So if you'd like to go straight away, Jonny. And the first team out is Penrhyn Coch. So a home tie at Kai Baker. And Gary Lewis's team will play Triada Bay United. That's Kevin Druids, so home draw at the Rock for Hugh Griffiths' team. And the Druids will play Porthmadog. So an all Hugh Gray Welsh Alliance match there. That's Holyhead Hotspur. And they will play Chirk 3As. The Carnarvon Town, so home draw for Iwan Williams' team at the Oval. And Carnarvon will play Llandudno Junction, who upset Caerau on Saturday. That's Mould Alexandra. And Mould will play Buckley Town. Holywell Town, Trevonen. And Holywell will play Knighton Town. So a difficult tie for Adam Wharton's team. Denby Town, Dimbych. And they will play Conwy Borough. So another all Hughes Gray match. Rhosdallen. And Rhosdallen will play Flint Town United. Llanfair United, a home draw for Rhys Stevens' team. And they will play the 2013 champions Prestatyn Town. Another All Hughes Grey Alliance match. And the final tie in the northern section. Gillsfield and they will play Penryn Deudraeth. And that concludes the northern draw. And we're now ready for the southern draw. So Jonny, if you'd like to make a start. And the first team is Cardiff Met. So home tie for Christian Edwards' students. And they will play Penabont. So an all Welsh League Division 1 clash. Avon Lido, Lido Avon. Another home tie. And they will play Caerleon. West End. And they will play Cwmbran Celtic. Llanelli Town. So home tie at Steban Heath. And the Reds will play Cambrian and Clydach of Welsh League Division 1. Garden Village. We'll play STM Sports, the giant killers of last weekend. Barrytown United. So a home tie probably at Jenner Park. And they will play Aberdare Town. Brecon Corries. It's one of the lowest ranked teams left in the competition. And they will play Aberbargoed Buds, who were 3-2 winners against Risca on Friday night. Goitra United. And they will play Ceira Ely. Comani United, who beat Taftswell on the weekend. And they will play Caldecott Town. And the final tie, Goitra, who are flying high in the Welsh League Division 1 at the moment. And they will play Dinas Powys. And that concludes the JD Welsh Cup Round 2 draw. My thanks to Jonny, diolch yn fawr I Jonny, a pob lwc to Chris and to Jonny and the whole of the squad for this very important week coming up.